Hi everyone, welcome back, and today I'm just going to be doing some stuff on MSP. I don't really know what, cause it's me. Anyway, I have 3 messages, let's check them out. I guess I don't have 3 messages, okay then. My big stuff. Interesting, well, cause I'm such a mean person. I shouldn't have said that, oh my god, no. I'm a nice person. Anyway, just before I start this video, I just want to say a huge shout out to Denim Girl 85 for the greet last week, I think it was, but just want to say thank you so much. Thanks. Hi guys, so today, look, she's planning on killing me. It's a joke, sure. See, it does this when I'm recording, it takes forever to send. Anyway, I'm going to open up my Mailtime. I probably only have 1 or 2 gifts. But yeah. Oh, these are nice colors. Oh, I like that. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Oh my god, I sound like a 3-year-old there. I can do a really 3-year-old voice if I do this. Oh my gosh! Not that, but oh my gosh, it's so cute. I don't know what it is. I think it's a hairpiece. Let me see. Boom! Sorry. The accessories on it. That's actually really cute. I'm dying. Oh no, but ooh, okay, wait. Wait, and then if I, back page. Oh, that's actually kind of cute though. I like that. I like that a lot. Thank you so much. Hi, it is me, 111. Oh my god, no, no, stop. Thank you so much. Oh, what's that? Gosh, thank you so much. It's not loading in. Thanks so much. It isn't loading in. We'll check that later. Thank you so much. I love that. It's so nice. And the jacket in the top. That's very nice as well. Sorry, I'm just moving the black and logo. Suspicions. this person. He did. By the way, Robin and Black Ant, his name's Alex, actually. So their ship name is Rolex. Rolex? Yeah. Them two love each other. Well, I know that he definitely loves him. So, like, yeah. Because he even told me. I can even show you guys. Anyway. Oh, yeah, okay. Let me find Robin. I'll record when I... Yeah, so here we go. I was raging, and then we just, and I was like, oh, da da da. Let me think. Wait, what do you mean he thinks about me? And I was like, look. I was like, who is Alex? Do you guys see this? Who is Alex? My crush. Alex, if you're watching this. Oh my god, he's online. Hi, I'm exposing you. Oh my god, it's not even that funny. He's gonna kill me. Let's see if that GIF loaded in yet. Oh, there we go. Ooh, it's from Kimmy. Oh my god. Oh, I think I already opened the gift that she gave me. Let's see. Oh, that's what she sent. Oh, interesting. Okay. For some reason, I can't find the thing you gave me. Hi, it's me. What does it come under? Dunno. Exposing you. So. My god. Oh, he probably doesn't remember. I think that's where I'm going to leave it today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!